Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to change a page URL on Wix quickly and easily. Start by opening your Wix dashboard and click Edit Site to load your website. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Menus and Pages icon. Click that to view all your pages. Find the page you want to edit, like an About page, and click the three dots next to it. In Settings, you can change the page title, which updates the Browser tab. But to change the URL, go to SEO Basics and look for the URL slug. Here, you can type your desired URL while keeping the page title separate if you want. You'll also see a preview of how it will appear on Google once your site is live. And that's it. By adjusting the URL slug in SEO Basics, you've updated your page URL on Wix while keeping your site organized and SEO friendly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Wix tutorials for more tips.